Powered by FluxRing technology, the MiniMo Camping and Backpacking Stove Cooking System, in adventure, reaches a rolling boil in just over 2 minutes with half the fuel consumption of traditional systems. Jetboil's proprietary regulator technology offers incremental heat adjustments from light simmer to full boil, perfect for sautéing greens, simmering sauces, and more. Metal handles and a redesigned FluxRing cooking cup, optimized for a low spoon angle, make the MiniMo the perfect vessel for personal cooking and eating right out of the cup. Start heating instantly with the convenient, reliable pushbutton igniter. Save pack space with the clever sideways burner storage design. Includes MiniMo Camping Cook System, stove, cooking cup, lid, bottom cover, fuel can stabilizer, pot support. Instructions. JetPower fuel sold separately. 1-year limited warranty. Measures 5.0 inches W, 5.5 inches H, 12.7 centimeters by 14 centimeters, weighs 14.6 ounces, 415 grams. Ideal for backpacking, camping, hiking, camp cooking, overland camping, survival camping, fishing, hunting, and emergency use. For any adventure, from alpine expedition to a weekend trek, Jetboil offers a stove that will keep you fueled. When exploring the backcountry, a compact and efficient stove is fundamental, no matter the level of cuisine you want to create. Top reviews from the United States. Quick. I knew this was quick, but didn't expect it to be lightning quick. This kit seems to boil water quicker than scientifically possible. Excellent addition to the annual camping, kayak fishing trip to break up the regular Pop-Tarts and Uncrustables routine. Made some awesome chicken burrito.